That was difficult.
Yes, it came apart. Hello, I'm Momose, Yamaha Wind Instrument Technical Center. Most people have played the recorder before. Sometimes the joints get stuck. The cause of stuck joint was a dry tenon. When you assemble a Yamaha resin recorder, please apply a little recorder cream beforehand. The point is to apply grease to the inside of head joint and foot joint too. You only need a thin layer of grease. Use grease every time before. You can skip it if the recorder doesn't feel sticky or tight. Please apply again when it feels tight. After playing, please wipe the grease off before put it in the case. For larger recorders like the Alt, please put on the tenon cap.
Did you sword fight with your recorder when you were at primary school?
No, I didn't.
I have to tell my daughter to take a good care of it. Sorry, that's the split school. Can I leave this to you?
Yes.
Hello?
See you next month.